Yeah? Now?
Yes.
Sorry. So here we are. Today we are here tonight unboxing this lovely, colourful product.
Cake.
It's a cake in a cup of sorts. It's interesting because it's yeah, it's quite a large cup, as it is quite a large cupcake, with many colours,
Let me know when it's open.
and we can see that it's, one minor blemish, I would say, is we see a bit of the, it's a bit of its nasty bits have come off on the edges there. But, that's minor, I'd say. You can see it's in quite a large jar of sorts. It seems as it could double as a... Oh dear. It could double as a drinking... after we finish, we may give that a spin. Or it could even hold large quantities of kombucha, juice, natural juices, of course, as this came from Whole Foods. We wouldn't put Mountain Dew in it, things like that. Alternatively, it could be a container for a urine sample of a small bovine creature or hippopotamus or such. Anyway, let's get to it. We've been talking too much already. I'm going to try to... I think we can... Here we go. Okay. That's exciting. And we see... Yeah. We've spilled a bit in there. We'll get to that maybe in a bit. We see the colors. We see all the colors of the rainbow are present. This snappy lid as well. I don't think we're going to taste it because that'd make quite a mess of my face on the video. And I have others that are here that would like to partake as well. So, yeah, I think we've about covered it for today. Please subscribe and put your comments below, and yes, thank you. It's a thumbs up.
No.
Whole Foods.
Give it a thumbs up.
We give it a thumbs up.
No.
You're here. I'm here giving it a thumbs up.
No.
You're the
Subscribe.
You're here giving it a subscribe and give
subscribe.
it. Don't forget to subscribe and
Leave
give it.
your comments below. And please give us a thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Not here, but on the website when you're on YouTube and watching it. Thank you.